Hi everyone, welcome to Hot Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use sequence and sequence formula. Sequence could be very helpful if you're creating different rows with different pattern. So let's get started. So first, let me show you how usually people create rows when they don't know about any of these formulas. So what they do is they'll just press 1 or 101 and then 102, but we'll just start with 1. Start with 1 and then they do 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. They just keep creating different rows for how much their record is. Or what they do is if they had to write something before the record, if for example they have to write a tracking number, just call it TN and they call it 001, then TN 002. So they have to manually create all these records for each record. They have to manually create all these rows like these. So instead of doing that, we can use a sequence formula. So sequence formula is very easy. So you just press equal to sequence, and now you want to create 100 rows. You just press 100 and then close parentheses and hit tab. So it created 100 rows for us. You can create as many rows as you would like. Okay, let's try to create 1,000 rows. So you can do equal sequence 1,000 rows and then close parentheses and then tab. So now it created 1,000 rows for us. But what if, like I gave you the second scenario, where you have to type in something before the text, and then you have to create the number next to it. So what we can do is, so we'll just do equal, and then the text we want there to be in the beginning, we can call it TN, which stands for tracking number in this scenario. Uh, and then we can use ampersand and then text formula, and here we can use sequence. So let's assume that we want to create 100 rows. We'll just close parentheses and then comma and the pattern of the text. So how do we want it to look like? In this case, we want TN and then in 3 zeros format. So like this, we'll just put 3 zeros here, then close parentheses, and then we'll press tab, and here we go. So we created 100 records or 100 rows that say TN01, TN02, TN03. We can change the format as well. If you want to add four zeros, and here we want 1,000 new records like this, and then hit tab. Now look at that, TN0001, and we have about, if we go down, we have about 1,000 records. 1,000, TN 1,000. Here we go. We can delete this. Let's delete this. And this is all for this video. So if you have any question or any recommendation, please feel free to reach out in the comment below. Just any suggestions you have. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.